research of Howest is helping us in our research to find a good method for the purification of the water of the fish culture. So we have the fish culture here at EnAlgae since about 2 years, and we were looking for an interesting method to purify the water to reach an optimal recirculation of the water in our culture. So this project gives us a unique opportunity to test a very new method here in our system.
So the benefits of our algae wastewater treatment system are, first of all, that these algae produce oxygen, so we don't need to put oxygen inside the reactor. A second benefit is that these algae are easily harvestable, so in that sense we can have a clear effluent without having to spend a lot of costs in settling these algae. A third possible benefit is that these algae can be a valuable biomass we can use for different kind of processes. Algae are nowadays already used in chemical industry, for pharmaceutical additives, for feeding additives, and also to produce energy. So it is now our part to look into the algae biomass and see how we can use this in a valuable way.
This is really important because what I see that we miss in the algae field is the links between the companies. So we have often the problem that a lot of companies have the idea to do something with the waste streams, or they see that they have a phosphate or nitrate rich water, so they know they can do something with it, but they miss the expertise and the people to help them start things up. And that's why we need these kind of events to connect the people and to link them. And actually I visit a lot of companies, and also with that I can try to connect already companies by myself. Yeah.
Well, the local community is always looking for opportunities to make business, to let entrepreneurs look for new products. So working with algae is one way of finding new economic opportunities.
Well, the collaboration in projects like these works definitely as a speeder up or an engine to speed up the processes, to get cheaper results, because people combine knowledge from all 19 partners, which means not just 19 people, but in all these institutions and organizations there are some people working together, so it's a lot of people working together, getting the knowledge that you otherwise would never get together. This kind of cooperation, deciding on in which direction the biomass production, but also the other applications of algae could develop and what the opportunities are. I think this is the core issue of the cooperation.
Within the EnAlgae project, we collaborate with other EU member states. We have some knowledge about wastewater treatment, but other member states have other knowledges regarding data processing, or even regarding seaweed. There are a lot of different aspects in this algae that can be researched, and we can learn from each other just by talking to each other, having meetings on a regular basis and exchanging the data.
It is very important to find new sources of energy, because the oil production is stabilizing and will go down. and there is the carbon dioxide problem. So we have to find sustainable ways of making energy, and that's what we are looking for.
We zijn eigenlijk heel vragende partij om nog verder te werken, want het is heel belangrijk voor ons. Het is een nieuwe uitdaging. Dus ook is interessant, normaal bouwen wij biozwemvijvers, waar we de algen in elimineren. Nu moeten we zien voor algen te kweken, het heel andere weg. Maar doordat we ook al afvalwaterzuiveringsstations bouwen met planten, dus ook met bacterieleven, leunt dat wel erg aan bij onze business.
We'll hope this will be a successful project, so we can work on other projects in the future. With this project, we have now the basic knowledge, and I hope we can use that knowledge in other future projects.